we're on day 3. We took a couple days off. We had, you know, life happens. You just gotta take a break sometimes and rest a little bit. So Tim will be out later today. I'm not exactly sure what time yet, but probably sometime this afternoon. So it's just me this morning, kind of getting back to, probably getting close to getting back to the radiators, getting put in and all that. So just kind of slowly getting it back together. I want to get batteries hooked up before I go too much further. I hook up a little bit more, but get the batteries hooked up and run it so that I can see what these belts do. Because when we got in here, this tensioner pulley right here, the pulley was literally off of the tensioner and just sitting down here. And I think earlier we had shown where it had marred up on the timing, or the cover, the timing cover. So AC wasn't even hooked up to this thing. So anyways, got a new belt, got a new tensioner pulley and all that, hooked up AC. So we'll just make sure everything's running right in that. Got a new idler pulley as well. So we'll get it all put back together. I'm hoping today this thing's running and we can just test it out, make sure everything's working right and doing what it's supposed to be doing. So, and I don't think Malachi's coming out today, but I haven't even texted him yet. So we'll see if he swings out today. Tim showed up, and we're a little bit ahead of schedule for today. So, got the fan on, fan shroud, got the radiators, core support, got that on. Just hooked up intercooler. That's what Tim was doing down there, hooking up the lower pipe. We got lower radiator and upper radiator still has to go on. I don't remember how we routed that. Where was that one sitting?
This one right here.
Oh, yep, never mind. That's why we keep Tim around.
Yeah, right? That's the only reason.
It's the only reason. Sweet, so we're getting there, and we'll be able to prime the system and try and start it. We got everything back together except for the bumper, and it's time to start the truck. So we'll see how it does. We've got some air in the fuel lines right now that we're kind of trying to get out, checking all the electrical, so we'll see what happens.
So let's see if it tells me anything different. Alright, I'm gonna crank. Yep. Yeah, so the one push rod, it's not moving. That's an issue. That's our noise. So what happened is it barely moved. So the push rod went to the side of the lifter.
Alright, so we got it running, looking, sounding good. Biggest thing is we're leaking fuel, so we got to figure out where that's coming from.
Listen to them tires sing. I bet you just blew an intercooler boot off.
Right there.
Yep.
Did I just do it again?
What's hissing? Oh, I thought it was that one. Oh.
I think it is that one. That one totally came off.
Are you kidding me?
Seriously, I wasn't even at 20 PSI on that one. We're at 30 PSI, I think. Yep, 30 right there. Hit 31 maybe. Well, held. Officer, I swear I wasn't texting. I was staring at my boost gauge.
That's right.
Well, first drive, everything went pretty good. Obviously, we just blew boots, 3 times in a row? But it's probably on there pretty good now. We'll see. Now we're just going to check out 4-wheel drive module and see if we can find it.